The University of Maine Alumni Association's 2026 Spirit of Maine Achievement Award is presented by the Fitch Company.
Yeah, it has been a great privilege to work with Dr. AFGHAH. Her particular sort of strengths, and he was a PhD student at University of Maine, was that not just trying to solve a problem from one angle. So she was basically thinking outside the box. When she was listening to other students' challenges and problems, she was trying to kind of step up and say, okay, maybe have you tried this? So she was also acting as a mentor for other students at her level, and she was also acting as a mentor for undergraduate students.
Her colleagues knew when they were working beside her here in Orono that she would go far, and she certainly did. When there is discussion or debate about the use of this technology, people call on Dr. AFGHAH because she is a recognized expert in the field. She excelled while here at the University of Maine in her research and doctoral studies, and then now as a faculty member at Clemson, she is a national leader in research around AI technology, the use of drones in wildfire suppression.
When we were in Arizona, wildfires were a big concern because of dry climate. FATEMEH started a project for using drones and aerial systems to manage wildfire. This was a really big grant, multi-institutional, and she showed great expertise and leadership. She's also highly motivated in her student success. She always tries to make sure that her students get good jobs and very strong positions when they graduate. I think most successful faculty, to be honest, have a very busy work life, so it may impact their family life. But FATEMEH is really different. She spends a lot of time with family and makes sure that her job doesn't negatively impact our personal life. She's always up for trips and she spends a lot of time with kids, and we are very grateful for it.
I think Dr. AFGHAH is truly the embodiment of the spirit of Maine. I think we are this public-facing university that we want to serve the public. We want to serve the people of Maine. So when Dr. AFGHAH was picking her research topic, she always had that spirit of Maine in the back of her mind. How does it going to affect the foresters, the oceanographers, fisheries industry, or agricultural businesses, and how I can use technology to lift everybody up.
Not only is she an industry leader, but she is an outstanding example of the value of a University of Maine education.
FATEMEH may be a Clemson Tiger now, but a big part of her is always Maine Black Bear.